November 10th, year 2017. The Holy Spirit speaks to Wendy and Jillian. Good morning, my dear daughters. Age is not indicative of wisdom, and conversely, wisdom is not indicative of age. Wisdom comes from experience, yet if these experiences do not merit knowledge, then one must understand wherein lies the difference. Knowledge comes from knowing the facts which once learned provide a basis in which to form an opinion or learn that which is needed on which to further one's understanding. Webster defines merit as deserve or be worthy of something. Oftentimes one's wisdom is clouded by the facts or knowledge as one understands them to be. Wisdom is attained when one is able to neither judge nor justify the actions of others, but rather look within to seek that which is the truth. When you come to the sanctuary within, this is how you will be able to see that which needs to be seen, and in doing so will respond according to that which is the truth. This then is how barriers to one's higher self are overcome. As earth angels, it is imperative one does not place conditions on that which they give to others. For in doing so, they are unable to behave as our Father would have them behave. To give unconditionally of oneself, then one must rely on divine guidance. I do not want you to turn away from those who are in need, yet until you understand or see that which needs to be seen with clarity, then you will continue to be plagued with feelings which generate dis-ease within. Thank you, my dear ones, for responding to my call.
Thank you for listening to our video message number 106 from the Holy Spirit. These messages have been written specifically for these times to teach, inform, inspire, and nurture your soul. For more information on ABBA and Company, our original Earth Angels book, as well as listen to our little book series, go to our website at www.earthangelsbook.com. Please subscribe to our channel and share with your friends, your family, or another in need. May God bless, protect, and guide you and your family in these times.